with any language you're learning, progress over perfection. It's so much easier said than done, but getting out there and speaking it and using it as soon as possible is the best way to rip off the plaster or band-aid. You can sit around constructing sentences in your head, worrying that you're going to say something wrong, worried you're going to mutate your Welsh incorrectly, or in my case with Czech, that you're going to use the wrong word ending noun declension. But at the end of the day, people usually appreciate that you're trying. There are exceptions, of course. There are going to be people who expect perfection and accept nothing less, but most people are going to be happy that you're trying. So get out there as soon as you can, try it, throw in English words when you can. One of the things with Welsh is that everyone understands English too, pretty much. So if you throw in an English word in the middle, that's fine, that's what we do.